Caulking between new window or door casing and the wall is one of those things that sparks a lot of debate, but honestly, it can really help with air sealing in your home and keeping things tight. So, here's the deal. If you want to keep drafts from sneaking in, caulking is your best friend. It blocks tiny gaps where air might slip through, which saves you on heating and cooling bills. When you're installing new trim, make sure to clean the surface well before you apply the caulk so it sticks properly. Use a paintable caulk so you can touch it up later without it looking weird. Don't overdo it though. Just enough to fill gaps, not blobs everywhere. If your trim looks super sharp and perfect, caulking might mess with that crisp look, so weigh how much you care about aesthetics versus energy efficiency. Sometimes people skip interior caulking because the outside is sealed tight and the inside trim will get painted anyway. Just remember that sealing both sides gives you the best air barrier, especially in old houses with drafty walls. Lastly, smooth the caulk line with your finger or a damp cloth right after applying to keep it neat and clean. One of the biggest mistakes with caulking new window or door trim is using the wrong type of caulk, like non-paintable stuff that ruins your finish. Fix: always grab paintable latex caulk for easy finishing. Another common issue is slapping on way too much caulk, which looks messy and can peel off faster. Fix: apply a thin, steady bead and smooth it out right away. Lastly, people sometimes forget to prep the surfaces by cleaning dust and dirt, so the caulk doesn't stick well and cracks over time. Fix: wipe down all surfaces before starting to caulk to get a solid seal. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making your home projects way less stressful. Plus, contractors get a real shot at finding good work through their platform, which keeps things legit and easy for everyone involved.